Every January, Illinois family courts see a 40% spike in divorce filings. This isn't coincidence, it's strategic timing. The date you file affects temporary custody orders and asset valuation under Section 503 of the Illinois Marriage and Dissolution of Marriage Act. Under 750 ILCS 5, Section 401, Illinois is a no-fault divorce state. You need two things: irreconcilable differences and 6 months separation, or a written waiver. The filing date starts the clock on everything. Temporary orders, discovery deadlines, waiting periods. Why January? 3 reasons. First, the holiday ceasefire effect. You survived Thanksgiving and Christmas for the kids. The temporary truce is over. January 2nd, you're thinking, I can't do another year. Divorce attorneys call the first 2 weeks of January breakup season. Filing feels less like failure, more like self-preservation. Second, financial reset. December drained your bank account. January gives you a full year to plan. Your tax situation is clear. Section 503 says Illinois is an equitable distribution state, not 50-50 but fair. Asset valuation happens at filing date or trial date. If your 401k dropped in December, filing in January locks in a lower division value. Third, kids are back in school. If you handled mornings, meals, and bedtime during break, you built pattern evidence. Section 602.7 says courts look at past participation in significant activities. Past tense. January returns to structure, school schedules, routines. If you're maintaining that rhythm, document it. Courts care about who showed up consistently. Does filing first make you the bad guy? No. Section 401 is no fault. The judge doesn't care who filed. What matters is what you do after. Here's your 72-hour action plan. Step 1. Open a separate bank account at a different bank. Don't drain the joint account. That's dissipation under Section 503. But redirect your paycheck. Create a financial firewall. Step 2. Copy everything financial. 3 years of tax returns. 6 months of bank statements. Pay stubs. Retirement accounts. 1 copy at work. 1 in cloud storage she can't access. 1 at home. Section 501 requires financial disclosure anyway. Step 3. Do not move out. Section 602.7 judges look at continuity and stability. Move out before temporary orders. You just handed her the house and the kids. Sleep in the guest room if needed. But stay. Step 4. Document parenting time starting today. Phone calendar for drop-offs and pickups. Photos of homework help. The statute says past participation. Build that evidence now. Step 5. Get state-approved forms. Illinois doesn't require attorneys. The court wants correct paperwork, whether you paid $5,000 or $150. OnlineDivorce.com walks you through every section of 750 ILCS 5, updated for 2026. January isn't divorce month because people are sad. It's divorce month because it's strategically smart. The calendar resets. Kids are in school. You have 11 months to finalize before next holiday season. Links to Illinois divorce forms are in the description. This is educational content, not legal advice. For case-specific guidance, consult an Illinois licensed attorney. But if you're watching this, you know what you need to do. January is here. The moment is now.